Welcome to Brain Vision.
This problem is quite a bit simpler than the previous one. In this case, we have a shaft that's supported by bearings at each end, and these bearings don't support a moment, but we have point moments acting on each side, at each end. They are not equal, so we don't have symmetry in this problem. One is 600 newton meters, the other is 300 newton meters, and then we have a uniform distributed load of 200 newtons per meter acting over the length of the shaft. Again, free body diagrams of the entire structure here will tell us that, and force and moment balances will tell us that the support at the bearing at the left end has a load of 550 pounds in it, or 550, why am I wrote pounds instead of newtons? Let's see here, that should be newtons and newtons. 550 newtons in it, and the support on the right end is the load on the right bearing is 650 newtons. Now we can plot our shear, and we know that it starts at 550 newtons here. And then these point moments don't affect the shear, so it just has a slope. The shear force just has a slope of minus 200 newtons per meter over the entire region. So it's just a straight line, and it ends down here at 650 newtons. So that function is given by this value here, 550 minus 200x. Now the moments, we have a point moment on the right end or the left end, so we're gonna start here at 600. Now the function is going to be the integral of this. Okay, so we can see that we have 550x minus 100x squared, and then the constant of integration is going to be 600, because we're going to, at x equals 0, m is 600. So we can find this function just by integrating this. And in that case, we come over here and we have this parabolic function, and when we get to the end at 6 meters, we had better get to 300 newton meters of our load to make sure that that is confirmed. And if you don't, then something in your calculations went wrong. Probably something maybe in calculating these reaction forces. Because in calculating these reaction forces, you're essentially making sure, guaranteeing that this function goes through these 2 points.